Hello, it's Jim Grieve, the Executive Director of RTO ERO. I want to talk to you a little bit about RPWs, Retirement Planning Workshops. It's never too soon to start planning for your retirement. We're certainly targeting those who are mid-career, and that's the time to start thinking about it. But if you're getting close, within a year or so, we have retirement planning workshops that are all across Ontario, and they're happening right now. They're designed for everyone in the education field. So whether you're a early years person or a K-12 or post-secondary, in a custodial role, a teaching role, or a business and operations role, you are most welcome, and you can join and get your benefits in retirement from us. Our retirement planning workshops are free. They're all across Ontario. You can learn about, certainly, planning for your financial future. You can learn about the kind of insights about what retirement might look like from your peers, very important. And most important of all, you can learn about the health benefits that we offer for you in your retirement. You need that. You can't depend on the Ontario Drug Benefit Program to cover all your needs. You need the health benefits in retirement, and we have probably the most competitive plan across Canada at this point for the education sector. So there's a full schedule of our retirement planning workshops. There's one happening near you anywhere in Ontario. And if you look on our website, it will show exactly where those are happening and when they're happening. Again, they're free, and we hope to see you at one of our workshops.